In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive sites in Framer. If you've ever archived a project in Framer and later realized you still need it, don't worry. Unarchiving is quick and simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps so you can restore any archived site back into your active projects. First, open your browser and go to your Framer dashboard. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account and team, especially if you work across multiple workspaces. The dashboard is your main hub, where you normally see your active projects and sites. This is also where Framer keeps the link to your archived items, so everything starts here. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the section or tab labeled Archive or Archived. This is usually found in the sidebar or along the top navigation where your folders and project views are listed. The archive area is where Framer moves projects you no longer want cluttering your main view, but still might want to keep for later. Go ahead and click on Archive. When you open it, you should see a list or grid of all the sites and projects that have been archived for that team. Take a moment to scan through the thumbnails or titles until you find the specific site you want to bring back. If you have a lot of projects, it can help to quickly read the names or look at the preview images to make sure you're choosing the right one. After you've located the correct archived site, hover over it or click into its menu, depending on how your interface is set up. You'll see an option labeled Unarchive. This is the key action that restores the site. Click on Unarchive. Framer will immediately move that site out of the archive and back into your main projects view. There's no need to reconfigure anything. The content and settings of the site stay the same as when you archived it. Now return to your main dashboard or projects folder, and you should see the unarchived site listed alongside your other active projects, ready for editing, publishing, or sharing.